Hey everyone, and welcome to Speak Easy, Mastering English Fluency. I'm Emmy, and today, we're talking about something that will change the way you speak English. How to think in English instead of translating from your native language. If you've ever struggled to speak because your brain is stuck translating each word, this episode is for you. By the end of this podcast, you'll have real, practical tips to help you think faster and speak naturally in English. Let's get started. It's totally normal. When you learn a new language, your brain relies on your first language to understand it. That's why you translate in your head before speaking. But here's the problem: translation slows you down. Instead of speaking naturally, you pause, think, and try to find the right words. It feels frustrating and unnatural. So, how can you stop translating and start thinking in English? Let's break it down into simple steps. First, train your brain to use English for small, everyday thoughts. For example, when you wake up, instead of thinking in your native language, switch to English. I'm still sleepy. I need coffee. Today is Monday. No full sentences? No problem. Just a few words are enough to start thinking in English. One of the best tricks is to describe the world around you in English. For example, if you're walking outside, think, the trees are green. That car is really fast. It's so sunny today. This simple habit helps your brain connect English to real life, without translating. The next step is to use English for small decisions. For example, when you're choosing what to eat, think, I feel like eating pizza. No, I should eat something healthy. This helps you get used to thinking in English without pressure. Here's an important rule: mistakes are okay. Many learners pause because they want to speak perfectly. But native speakers make mistakes too. The most important thing is to keep talking. Instead of thinking, what if I say it wrong? Say, it's okay. I'm learning. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Yes, you heard me. Talk to yourself. It's a great way to practice thinking in English. You can do it out loud or in your head. Before bed, think, today was a good day. I learned something new. Now, it's time to sleep. This makes English a part of your daily life. Here's a powerful trick. When you see an object, don't translate it. Think in pictures. For example, just see the apple and think, apple. This helps your brain connect English directly to meaning, without using your first language. So, to stop translating and start thinking in English, use simple English thoughts. Describe your surroundings. Make decisions in English. Forget perfection. Mistakes are okay. Talk to yourself in English. Think in pictures, not translations. Try these steps, and soon, English will feel natural, just like your first language. That's all for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning tips. Thanks for listening to Speak Easy, Mastering English Fluency. See you in the next episode.